The pi of π200 is our familiar symbol in mathematics, namely the pi. It means infinite possibilities. It is our original intention to design the pi series. Today's young generation, as the main force of consumption, they are more willing to spend money on spiritual consumption, and they tend to be more individualistic and unique. π200 is a DLP 3D printer for the animation industry, launched by UnionTech. It has cyberpunk design in it, but still remained the harder-edged industrial design style. It uses industrial-grade 4K optical machine, precision optical structure, super light source technology. With breakthrough precision, quality, and reliability, it is perfect for the animation industry. The printing effect is unimaginable fine, reached to 50 micrometer. The surface of the model is angular, smooth, which the traditional techniques cannot reach. π200 has 3 printing modes: fine mode, balanced mode, and smooth mode, which leading the industry. In the future, the Pi series will be developed in larger formats and smaller layers. We hope that π200 would bring players infinite happiness and possibilities.